Welcome back to Auto Matrix. Today we're diving into something extraordinary, the all-new 2025 BMW M9. A machine built for pure speed, precision, and luxury, this supercar takes BMW's legendary M division to a whole new level. It's not just a car, it's a statement. The M9 is here to challenge the best from Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren, and it does so with cutting-edge technology and breathtaking performance. The design of the M9 is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and aggressive styling. The iconic kidney grille has been reimagined with an active air system that adapts to driving conditions. Ultra-thin laser headlights give it a futuristic glare, while the sculpted carbon fiber bodywork optimizes airflow and reduces drag. The wide stance, flared wheel arches, and massive rear diffuser scream high performance, while the active rear wing adjusts dynamically to improve downforce at high speeds. BMW has left no detail untouched, ensuring the M9 looks as fast as it performs. Under the hood, the M9 is an absolute monster. Powering this beast is a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 hybrid system, producing an earth-shattering 850 horsepower. With the help of an advanced electric motor, the M9 delivers instant torque and mind-blowing acceleration. The numbers are staggering: 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 220 mph. BMW's MX-Drive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, while the 8-speed automatic transmission provides lightning-fast shifts for an unparalleled driving experience. But raw power is only part of the story. The M9 features an adaptive suspension system that continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering a balance of comfort and razor-sharp handling. The variable ratio steering provides precision at high speeds and agility in tight corners. Massive carbon ceramic brakes give it the stopping power needed to match its immense speed. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or dominating the track, the M9 is engineered for maximum performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends luxury with high-tech innovation. The cabin is wrapped in premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather. A massive curved OLED display spans across the dashboard, integrating BMW's latest iDrive system with AI-powered voice commands, real-time performance data, and seamless smartphone connectivity. The customizable digital gauge cluster and heads-up display ensure you have all the information you need without taking your eyes off the road. The M9 doesn't just excel in performance, it's also packed with everyday practicality. The Sport seats are designed for both comfort and support, featuring heating, ventilation, and memory settings. A premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system provides an immersive audio experience. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, make city driving and parking effortless. BMW's hybrid technology in the M9 isn't just about power, it also enhances efficiency. The electric motor allows for short-range all-electric driving, making it practical for city commutes. An advanced regenerative braking system captures energy and stores it in the battery for extra performance when needed. BMW has successfully created a supercar that blends extreme performance with intelligent efficiency. The 2025 BMW M9 is the ultimate driving machine, a perfect fusion of raw speed, cutting-edge technology, and luxury. It's a statement that BMW is ready to dominate the supercar world. Whether you're tearing up the track or making an entrance in the city, the M9 is built to turn heads and break records. That's it for today's look at the all-new BMW M9. What are your thoughts on this supercar? Could this be BMW's greatest creation yet? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Matrix. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.